Hey, what's going on? This is Joan M here with the Global Mounts Group. We're here at InfoComm 2026. What we're showcasing here is our Samsung E-Paper products. So we got the wall mount version that has the ability to tilt. We also have the dual side, which is a back-to-back, and then we also have the single side, which is have the ability to tilt as well. So if you look more in the back side, you actually have your components. This is actually built and designed for specifically for the Samsung E-Paper, only because it has where you can put your battery, so that way no one has the ability to open it, and then just the back box to keep all your wires and everything together. What we have here also is our floor to ceiling designed with cables. So for more information about this product, you can go to www.btechavmounts.com.